What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, today is the first wash on the Prodigy Civic. If you guys have followed along the channel, you guys have seen me transform that thing into something just incredible. And it is now time to wash it for the first time. And I told all you guys I'd bring you guys along because I want to check out the HYDROPHOBICS on the Blend and SiO2 Pro combo from VONIXX. It has rained a few times and I was very impressed. So I can't wait to put some water on it. It's been about a month, almost. Yeah, about a month since I finished it. So yeah, if you're tuning in right now for the first time, head back and check out the Prodigy series. It's two of them are a little bit longer, but that's okay. Grab some popcorn, check it out. It's a great transformation. Lots of good, tips and tricks and stuff in there. So yeah, it's gonna be a fairly quick video. I'm gonna be using the v-floc from VONIXX. VONIXX did send me all this stuff, so this is a sponsored video, but it's not a paid sponsorship. They basically reached out, wanted to send me some stuff, play around with them, see how I like them. So obviously that's what I did. If you guys follow the series, I used the SINTRA to clean the entire interior. Fantastic! I absolutely love this stuff. Since then, I actually bought the concentrated version and refilled my bottle. Absolutely love it. So yeah, v-floc is a hyper concentrated, pH neutral, non-acid car shampoo. Now, when they say concentrated, this is concentrated. It says diluted 10 milliliters to 1 gallon of water. Really? I don't like to measure. So I might just put an ounce in my bucket and put an ounce in my foam cannon and see how it does. It doesn't need to be foamed at all. It's not that dirty, but I want to see how this stuff foams. Real quick. Smells like grape Kool-Aid. So yeah, not much to talk about, guys. I just want to bring you guys along with a little wash, show you guys some hydrophobics on this stuff, and that's pretty much it because I told you I would. So yeah, let's get it on the Civic and hit it with some water, and let's see what kind of hydrophobics we get out of the Blend and SiO2 Pro 1-2 combo. All right, everybody, we're gonna jump into a quick rinse just to show some hydrophobics. Got some pretty good hydrophobics out of the Blend SiO2 Pro combo. Great beading, great sheeting, gloss slickness, checks all my boxes. And as we kind of go around the car, I want to take a second and thank all you guys that took the time out of your day to follow along this Prodigy series. We brought the Civic back to life. It looks amazing. I honestly enjoy making this content for each and every one of you guys, sharing my tips, my tricks, in hopes that somebody can gain something from these series. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to all you guys. Really enjoyed working with the VONIXX Blend. It's a fantastic all-in-one, and the hydrophobics are awesome. Have nothing but good stuff to say. On the trunk, on the deck lid and the roof, you'll see here in just a second, it does appear, it looks a little bit flat. Well, I can assure you once everything got rinsed off and cleaned, the hydrophobics were awesome again, even though they still look good. It's a good sheeter, it's a good beater. But the gloss and slickness is just incredible. So yeah, I will definitely remember to put the links to all the VONIXX products I used, as well as a discount code at the website where you can get them, and you get 10% off the whole website and not just on VONIXX products. So I'll have that link down in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. It's a quick one, like I said, but I hope you enjoy it.
All right, everybody. The next step is seeing how well this stuff foams. Not a huge factor for me. I know foaming is cool, but I don't always foam. Um, a lot of people out there foam every time they wash the car. I don't feel it's 100% necessary. But the foam cannon is a great way to get soap on the car, especially if you're in direct sunlight. Sometimes it's better to have soap dry on the car than water to dry on the car. So think of it that way. Here you can see the sun's beating on the right side of the car. I'd rather have soap dry on there that can reactivate and rinse off than water that just makes water spots. So that's a good sign there. This stuff foams up. It foams up great. I've had worse. I've had better. Is it shaving cream? No, but it has a nice rundown rate. It's not too slow. It's not too fast. It smells amazing coming out of the foam cannon. Rinses well, tons of lubrication. So overall, this is a fantastic soap in my books. So yeah. On that note, I'm just covering it with a nice blanket of foam before I go in for my contact wash, and I don't have to worry about any areas drying because it just when the water hits it, it reactivates and rinses off. So think of it as like a shield against the sun. If the soap dries, that's okay. You can rinse it back off. But if the water dries and you get water spots, you're gonna have to come in with your detailer and wipe it down. So yeah, foam's good, smells good. Great soap here, the v-floc from VONIXX. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much to this video. Yeah.
All right, everybody. So, like I said, just a quick video. Just basically wanted to show the hydrophobics of the blend and the SiO2 Pro from VONIXX. You guys, this stuff right here is awesome. Is it coating level hydrophobics? No, but are the hydrophobics fantastic? Absolutely. As you guys saw in the video, the roof and the deck lid did look a little bit flat, but it did have some dirt accumulated up on there, so I'm not holding it to it. Plus, the durability claims of 4 months. I see this stuff going 4 to 6 months, absolutely no problem. Plus, this thing's been sitting outside daily in the sun since I finished it a little over a month ago. So, and it's the first time washing it, so I think it looks fantastic. The slickness, man, the slickness is incredible still, right? So a lot of forms of protection seems, I don't know. I've dealt with protection that after 2 weeks, it's lost the slickness. The slickness on the paint is still there. That's what I love. We all love that smooth slickness feeling on the paint. So yeah, so the v-floc, this stuff is awesome. It's very concentrated. I didn't put that much in the foam cannon, to be honest, but it puts a nice blanket of foam on the car. Is it the thickest shaving cream foam in the world? No, I could have probably added a little bit more, but I like, shaving cream foam is nice. Don't get me wrong. It's nice to look at. Like I said, I didn't even need to foam this thing. But when you get a nice, I like calling it a blanket of foam. It covers it, but at the same time, it has a nice rundown rate to go ahead and encapsulate and bring all that dirt down off the paint. So yeah, that v-floc is awesome. It smells amazing, and it smells absolutely amazing. It's got tons of lubrication in the bucket for sure. So v-floc is amazing from VONIXX as well. Absolutely, honestly, the blend and SiO2 Pro combo, I'm telling you, the blend is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I've got another job coming up that I'm going to use the blend on. And hopefully I can get to make a video on it. It's on an old school Impala SS. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Such a clean car. It's a customer of mine. And I'm going to be using the blend on it. So you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, the Prodigy Civic is all cleaned, and yeah, this might be the last video you see of it, because I hope that I can sell it. I know I was going back and forth and selling it. Some of you guys like, you said you were going to keep it, this and that, and you know what? Well, you know what they say, money talks. So I can make a huge profit on this thing. So right now I'd rather make that profit. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys for tuning in, taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. You know I like interacting with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up, and while you're there, click that little notification bell and turn on all notifications. That way when I upload more videos, you guys get notified. Car detailing, full details, how-tos, paint coatings, reviews, all that kind of stuff. I appreciate you. So I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm gonna catch you guys all on the next video.